All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to download and install Firefox Developer Edition. So let me just say one thing before we do this. The reason why I want you to use Firefox Developer Edition is that it's an open source web browser that is built for web developers. So it's a crucial tool in your toolbox to be using Firefox because it will really open up your opportunities in web development, okay? Specifically front-end web development. So let's jump over to our favorite web browser. And for this example, I'm going to use Safari since I'm on a Mac. And we're going to go to google.com. Okay, so let's type in google.com. And then I'm going to search for Firefox Web Developer Edition. Okay. So I'm going to scroll down here to Firefox Browser Developer Edition. Okay. And I'm going to go right here where it says Firefox Developer Edition, this big blue button. We'll click on that and it's going to download. Do you want to allow downloads? Yes, I want to allow. So it's going to download right here. And as it's downloading, let's just talk a little bit about Firefox Developer Edition. So welcome to your new favorite browser. Get the latest features, fast performance, and the development tools you need to build for the open web. Okay? So let's click on the downloads here. I'm going to double click that. And that's going to open up the Firefox file that was downloaded, and then we're going to install it. So let's let this run. We'll give it a few more seconds here and wait for it. And we're just about there. There we go. All right, so it's going to, so on a PC, what it's going to do is ask you if you want to install it. Just hit yes, and then go through the process there. On the Mac here, we just need to drag it over to the applications folder, and I'm going to replace it. Okay. So I already have it installed on my computer, but I wanted to show you how to install it because this is an extremely crucial tool in your front-end web development journey that's just beginning. Okay. So 5 more seconds and we'll be ready to roll. And let's see if it's there. I'll just double click on this just to see. And if I scroll down, we should see Firefox. Where are you? There we are. All right. So we have downloaded and installed Firefox Web Developer Edition. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.